Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share my stray lesson plans of English method. There are totally 5 stray lesson plans and I have already uploaded 3 lesson plans in previous video. If you haven't watched that video, then you can watch it from description box or by clicking the I button. So in this video I am going to share another 2 remaining lesson plans. So without any delay, let's start with the first lesson plan, and it is preposition. And here our teaching technique is questioning, explanation and discussion. Maxims of teaching are simple to complex and particular to general. Teaching method is questioning and demonstration. Here as a teaching material I have used pen, compass box, bottle, poster or chart, chalk, duster and board. As a reference I have used YouTube and Google. Previous knowledge of students. Students will have familiar with common noun and verbs, and student will have ability to form simple sentences. Then comes general and specific aims. To introduce the topic, I have asked some questions based on previous knowledge of students. Then statement of aim and presentation. In introduction, I have used bottle, table, pen, compass box and board to give examples of prepositions like in, on, behind, in front of, etc. And I have asked some questions based on these examples. After introducing the topic, we have to write it on board. Then I show one chart to explain the definition of preposition. In presentation, I explain other prepositions like near, under, beside and between with the help of one student and table. You can also use other object of your class. Then comes evaluation and assignment. For evaluation, I ask students to read all the preposition and write any 5 preposition with meaning. And for home assignment, I ask students to write 5 sentences using preposition and underline that particular word. And the final part of our lesson plan is board work. So we have to write a subject, topic, date and standard. Then I have written definition of preposition with its example. Then comes our last lesson plan, and our topic is proper noun. Here teaching technique is questioning, explanation and discussion. Maxims of teaching are known to unknown and simple to complex. Teaching method is questioning and demonstration. And as a teaching material I have used book, bag, chart and chalk and duster. As a reference I have used YouTube and Google. Previous knowledge of students. Here I have written 2 points. Student will have simple knowledge of noun and student will have basic knowledge of sentence structure. Then comes general and specific aims. In introduction, I have asked questions based on previous knowledge of students. Then comes statement of aim These are the questions which I have asked to students to introduce the topic. Then declaration of topic or statement of aim. Then comes presentation and evaluation. And the last one is assignment. In presentation, I have used one chart to explain the definition of proper noun, and then I give some live examples. And for evaluation, I ask students to observe the object of class and write 10 words of proper noun. For assignment, I ask students to write 5 sentences of proper noun. Then comes board work. In board work, I have written definition of proper noun with its example. So here all the 5 stray lesson plans are completed. That's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.